Ever wondered how you learn to ride a bike or play an instrument? It's all about learning from experience, right? Well, machines can do that too. They can learn in three main ways: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let's break down each with a simple analogy: learning to play soccer. In the first scenario, you have a coach who supervises you and teaches you all the rules. They carefully explain that when the ball enters the goal, you earn a point, and when the ball goes out of play over the sideline, it must be thrown in by hand. They explain all the rules, how many players there are, how long the game lasts, and so on. In this case, you have a person supervising you and teaching you all the rules of the game. This is like supervised learning. In the second scenario, you're on your own. You start attending games every Thursday and Sunday. Initially, you're puzzled. Why are players using their hands from the sidelines in a game primarily played with feet? Why is the crowd cheering when the ball hits the net, and why do they groan when it doesn't? But as you keep watching, you start recognizing patterns and understanding the game's dynamics. This is like unsupervised learning. Now let's consider a third scenario, which is like reinforcement learning. Imagine you're practicing penalty kicks. Each time you score a goal, you feel a sense of achievement, which is a positive reward. Each time you miss, you feel disappointment, which is a negative reward. Over time, by trying different ways of kicking the ball and learning from the rewards, you improve your ability to score penalty kicks. So remember, all machine learning is AI, but not all AI involves machine learning. Machine learning can be broken down into these types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. But we can go even deeper. There are advanced forms of machine learning that mimic the human brain's own method of learning. They take the concepts of supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning and apply them on a much larger scale. This is called deep learning. Just as neurons in the brain are connected to form a vast network, deep learning uses artificial neural networks with several layers, hence the term deep. These networks can learn and make decisions on their own. Intriguing, isn't it?